What is this? One. Make it fun. Hoy es viernes. Tiempo para el fin de semana. ¿Cómo? Right here. Okay. This is an area back over there near metrology, outside of Lad's office. We collect all these samples, and from time to time it builds up. Now, when let's see, Taylor was here, we got rid of a bunch of samples. In fact, we got rid of all of them. But we're starting to build up now. So what I did was I changed I added some codes from Visual Basic Code in our tracking system, and it will notify the requester in 1 month after the record's been closed out that they have to take care of these samples. Glad we worked on it together. You got 10 days to get rid of them, or they will be purged. So that's going to be an automated way of getting these samples and taking care of them and getting them cleaned out. Well, okay, this picture, I don't know, a couple months ago there was a picture taken in this area. It was pretty messy. There were bottles and McDonald's burger things hanging around there. So anyways, this is all cleaned up. This is good. Just a picture showing that it looks good now. This is interesting. Yesterday I walked out onto this press here, and as the parts get ejected from that chute, they have a tendency, if they hit it just right, that they'll pop out of the chute and then on the floor. So it's a matter of just, I don't know, redirecting it or repositioning the conveyor. But you can see down there the parts that are on the floor. Those are parts that are good parts, but when you eject it off they come out quite fast. It's a 16 cavity mold. Just a picture of excess screws, runners, and blocks that are kind of overflowing. Housekeeping. This is a picture. This is a good picture. This is a picture where our material handling area is. This was taken yesterday right around 2 o'clock, so I think they were cleaning up everything for the next shift, which is good. It was nice and clean. This is a picture of just a broom and a dustpan, and somebody used it and then threw it in the corner there. I don't think anybody would do that at home, so I don't know why they would do it here. So now this is a picture that shows parts that were molding in gray, and very close to it is a regrind machine showing PA104, and that's a black regrind. So if they're grinding it close by the press, we might want to look at moving that to avoid possible contamination of the parts. We've got to rotate 90 on this one. Just another picture of screws and runners in the corner there. Housekeeping picture. Okay, this is a photo showing on press, I believe it's press 3. It's the Filtran, help me out, it's the 920.
It's
Fill 3. Now, when I walked over there yesterday, I noticed there were 3 different barcode labels. And I've got circled there, each one is circled. There's 3 different dates on there. Yet they were running it, they were manufacturing the parts. So that was kind of a concern. I took the barcode labels, and I got rid of all of them except for the date yesterday, which was 8/14. So there was one that was laying there that was 8/9, another one laying there that was 8/13. I didn't want them to use those labels because obviously they're outdated. Just a picture of an alcohol bottle that should be in the correct spot, but it isn't. A photo showing some regrind that had spilled out of the grinder. I don't know what causes that, other than maybe it's not being closed at the bottom correctly. The last, that's it. That's what I